Nakita kami sa isang event and then medyo nagkatinginan kami and then ayun, doon na po nagsimula yung lahat.
Since another way po siya para magkaroon ng connection with other people aside from social media.
Ang tao hindi na spontaneous. Kasi mahilig tayo mag-edit. Yung mga organic encounters kasi unfiltered yan. Sa panahon daw ngayon ng technological advancement, you can simply filter so many things about who you are as a person. Kasi tawag natin unforced. Hindi pinipili. Kasi bakit? Kasi sa panahon kasi ngayon ng technology, yung ating encounters, pinipili ng mga algorithm kung sino yung tipong tao ang gusto mong ang pwede sa yung ibigay. Nga nila, di ba? You are in a place and then, people are friendly and you too are friendly. Di ba? How do you start ba a interaction, di ba? With a simple gesture of a smile. Yung ganun ba? Yung pang disposition mo is a person na hindi kayo tinatawag na distant from other people. You have this parang cordial disposition. In the olden time, if you want to meet people, you put yourself out there. Diba? In other words, you go to places where people hang out. You try to go out, to try to meet people, try to encounter people, and try to, interact with people. The first thing we will always encounter sometimes, it does not go right, disappointment. Real, genuine, organic encounters will always be something that will always have, an upside and a downside.